everyone, it's Sunday once again and welcome back to my channel. Hello fierces, and may the fierce be with all of you. Alright, so just before we proceed with our product reviews kasi medyo marami siya, we're gonna review 2 or 3 top items. Alright, I always hear that dapat, pag gusto mo maging fresh, gusto mo magmukhang bata, dapat makapal ang kilay. The more na ninipisan mo ang kilay mo, it makes you look mature and older. Okay, so, ang ating agenda for today is to have a thicker and fuller bush ng kilay para magmukhang fresh and mas mukhang bata. Okay? In 3, 2, 1. Diba? And we're young, fresh, and innocent. Kawabag. Alright, so on with our review for today. So for today, we will be reviewing 2 items. That's the first one would be the Nano moisturizing skin mist. Alright, so we got this. We purchased this for 150 pesos. It's called the Nano Mist Sprayer. Okay, so we will check this one. And the next item would be the multifunctional cleaning instrument. Alright, so unahin na natin this one. Okay, let's start. So when you get this one, by the way, all the information of the products we have today, check it out na lang sa description box below for the details. Alright, and even the presyo. Okay, so for the multifunctional cleaning instrument, this is how it looks like. Okay. When you open it, like that, you have here a sleeve to pull up, and you have the reveal of the product. So you have, kita niyo ba? The item here, and you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tips ng vacuum niya. Vacuum ba tawag dito? I don't know what you call it. And then, of course, you have the plug. And what's this? Oh, the Chemelatic. I don't know what's that. Alright, so we'll check it out. We'll plug it first. Alright, so this is the product. This is not a sex toy, okay? Magang siya. It's made of plastic. A tough plastic naman, hindi siya ano. And then there's a plastic then I don't know what you call it. Bronze. Is it color bronze? There. And then the USB charger is below. And then you can twist this so you can replace it with a 5 different kind of vacuum. So I'm using the smallest. So we'll try it out sa nose. By the way, I just freshly showered. Alright, and then there's 3 power buttons. Three I'd say low, medium, high settings. And then you click on it. So this is the lowest or the pinakamahina. You can hear it ba? Okay, let's try. Malakas ang ano niya ha, ang pagsak. Is it painful? Not really. But is it doing its job to get all the gunk that you have? Tignan natin. Parang wala akong nakukuha, pero may konti. Okay, itong nilagay ko na tip para sa mga corners ng nose, there, and sa tip. Malakas yung pangsak niya, but it's not na malakas na to the point na masakit na. So parang nakakakuha naman siya ng dirt. And also it helps na kakashower lang natin ng warm water. So nag-open up yung facial skin pores natin. Oh, it's doing its thing. Okay siya. So later on, if we move on past the nose area, we'll change the tip of the vacuum so that will cover the rest of the face. And by the way, when you're doing this, do not do it sa mga eye area and mouth area because those are sensitive part of your face. So maninipis yung skin doon. You might hurt yourself. Okay? Oh, I love it. We'll just clean this one and we'll be back. Alright, and then the next item would be the Nano Mist Sprayer. And this is how it looks like. Wala siyang masyadong drama. And it comes with the manual and cable, right? So that's how it looks like. So what I do, this is by the way water. Just a tip, huwag niyo siyang pupunuin so it will perform well. And then I put ice inside. There, nakikita niyo? So that it would have a cold mist going out. And what I like about this one is, na-try ko na kasi siya prior to, let's just wipe it. Okay? Kasi medyo nagmo-moist siya. So let's turn it on. Kita nyo? Ang sarap, especially that the mist that is going out is so fine. It's a gas form na. There, oh. And nilagyan ko siya ng mineral water with ice cubes. So, ang sarap niya sa mukha. And it's so soothing and relaxing. And this is just 150. By the way, I got also one item, another one of this, and what's inside is an alcohol. So, iba-iba naman yung color niya. So, you can label that based on kung kunwari, if it's a blue or a pink, then it's what's inside is alcohol. I'll show you later if it's an alcohol. This is pure mineral water inside and ice cubes. Okay? So there. Ganun siya. Makikita nyo the mist. It's so fine. It's a gas form na. So that's why when you spray it there, what I do is 2-3 I'd say inches po to. O inches away from your face. There, o. Ito nyo. There, para makita nyo on the black background. There. That's how the mist looks like. So after a very long day, you just do this skin, you know. It's so nice. And it's so mura, 150, mineral water, ice cubes, diba? Home remedy, of a salon, na facial salon. Alright, so for our verdict, let's start with this one, okay? So what I like about this one is it does yung mga dirt sa nose nakuha niya sa akin kanina. So that's what I did. And then medyo I find it really powerful sa skin. So minsan meron na siyang tugging na nangyayari. Hinihila niya yung skin mo kapag nasasak niya really well. So yun lang ang medyo negative on this one. But it does the exfoliation properly. And then yung mga white what you call it, white cells and dry cells na nandito sa nose, nakuha niya kanina. May mga blackheads din ako nakita na maliliit. Nakuha niya. It's because it also helped na nag-warm bath ako kanina to prepare nga for this one para makatulong siya. Kasi normally, yun yung kailangan, warm water on your face, and then you do this para ma-clear up yung pores, and then malinis niya. Okay? So, this one is okay. Pasado to. Especially if you're so busy, hindi kayo makapunta sa mga facial salon for a proper facial, you can do this siguro once a week. Maintenance or every 2 weeks, just so yung nose nyo would be clear of gunks and dirt, mga dry cells. So this one does that trick. Alright, ito naman siguro, obviously, no, alam nyo na sobrang na-enjoy ko siya. Kasi, as a matter of fact, I'm using it now again. Sobrang, wait, matutulog na. Sobrang nakakakalma siya. Especially with what I did, na nilagyan ko siya ng mineral water and ice cubes inside there. Especially on a warm afternoon or warm day, you do this to make your skin a lot fresher. And especially, alam niyo naman, di ba, kapag you're doing cold water sa skin or eyes, it relaxes and boosts the blood. So, nagkakaroon kayo ng natural glow. And maganda tong prep when you're gonna do makeup the whole day. So there. Of course, obviously, this is Fierce Vlogs Pasado. Okay to. Sa halagang 150, may mist ka na. May yosi ka pa. And that's it, guys, for our episode this afternoon. Hope you liked and in a way picked up something from our episode today. Again, those items were personally purchased by myself. The information are down below. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please naman, punye lang yun, mag-subscribe na kayo. Para naman dumami-dami tayo kada linggo. Alright? That's it, and I'll see you next one.